This guy used to be known as Helium. However, today in a pinned comment, he released this and said that this was the new him. And he's stepping into himself as an entire artist and producer, not just a raw beatboxer. Go down to the gear to turn on the captions in your language. And let's find out what it sounds like when an artist chooses freedom over familiarity.
Trap to boom.
I mean, this is going to be another Beth doesn't actually know how he makes the noises, but she's going to try and work it out with her knowledge of anatomy. What I loved underneath in the production, at first he had that kind of ambient synth noise coming in underneath that just filled up the space. It's so clean and precise. You really feel each individual instrument. Let's break down some of those sounds and try and work out what he's doing. I think he's using his false vocal folds, which are little bits of tissue above the vocal cords themselves. They're normally used to protect the vocal cords when you cough. They can actually even take over the job of the vocal cords for people who've damaged their vocal cords, but you can also use them to make interesting sounds like this. I'm really interested in this sort of down mouth shape that he's doing to get depth. I'm assuming it's creating a bit more space inside the mouth and the vocal tract. The bigger space you make, the more big and warm the sound is. Some of us have small mouths, some of us have big mouths. And when you have a big mouth, it makes a big warm sound. And if you have a small mouth, it might make a little bit more of a direct sound. So he's artificially creating a bit more space, I think. Okay, what's it gonna do here? So bassy though. That's so fast.
Trap to boom.
I love that. It's so just like, yeah, whatever. I've just done this wildly fast sound. I find it so incredible that we are able to do all these sounds anyway. If you try and do a D sound or a T sound, you'll feel how similar the position of your tongue is. D, D. It's millimeters of difference. He is cycling between these tiny differences super fast. That takes practice. Now I want to talk about some of this production because it allows a lot of the beatboxing to come through. You really hear his skill, yet it fleshes it out a little bit more. It's beautiful. Lovely reverbs. Ooh. The little boom. It's so good. Whoa. I think that sound is created by some of that beautiful reverb. So I'm really interested as to what it would sound like without it, but with it, you create this big, spacious feel. As he said, this name change is about becoming a complete artist in a different way than he has been before. He definitely has spent a lot of time being really precise and making sure every sound is super clean. And you can hear how he's brought that precision and that perfectionism into his production. It's flawless. So much space. It's
Trap to boom.
I love... Wow. Whoa! Yes. Ah. It takes a huge amount of courage to evolve in public. It's terrifying to let go of expectations and just follow your own creativity, and he is doing it and completely smashing it. Staying true to the art, not the algorithm. Love it. If you liked this, then you might like some of these. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.